welcome back to our channel. My name's Hallie and today's video is super duper fun because we are going to be showing you how to make a green smoothie and also how to use a nutribullet. So if you haven't used a nutribullet before, it's basically like a Vitamix, but you can like blend things together, and yeah, so if you haven't used one, you probably should watch this video. So yeah, anyways, my dad's going to be showing you how to do that, and I hope you enjoy. Let's get to it.
Today we're going to be talking about making green smoothies. To those of you that don't know what a green smoothie is, it's a fruit smoothie with some greens mixed in, but the beauty is because of the sweetness from the fruit, it doesn't taste like you're eating the greens, and that's what makes it so easy and so good. I've got some gluten-free vegan waffles going right now, but we're not going to be talking about that in this video, but maybe next time we'll talk about how to make gluten-free vegan waffles. They're really good. Now, a green smoothie, there's a very basic principle. It's the 70-30 principle. You want to have about 70% fruit, as much organic as you can. This is an organic banana. It costs like 29 cents. This is organic mango from Trader Joe's. It's only like $2.99 for one of these, and it makes about 2 smoothies, maybe 3, depending on the size of the cup. I'm transitioning into making all organic fruit. This pineapple is from Walmart, comes in a big bag, it's like $7. This is like an $8 bag of strawberries, but I'm getting organic. And you can go to Whole Foods Market, and believe it or not, if you get the Whole Foods brand, it's only like $3 for a decent sized bag. Out here in Colorado, we're making fruit from King Soopers. Over at King Soopers, they have bags of pineapple for like $2.75 for organic pineapple. So look at different stores, you'd be amazed at how cheaply you can get organic stuff these days if you get the store brand. I also have an optional boost. This is organic protein. It's totally plant-based. Some of the things that it has pea protein, acacia, brown rice, chia seeds, and it's all ground up. This one doesn't have a scent or a flavor added to it. Just kind of looks like this nice powder. 2 scoops of this powder is 21 grams of protein. You can add that in. Totally plant-based. A lot of people say, how do you get enough protein when you're vegan? Well, one of the ways that you can get a lot of protein is by adding in a plant-based boost like this. Really simply put, you want to put 30% greens, 70% fruit, and then just add a little water to fill it in. And so I always like to put the banana in first. Just drop it in like this. Then I'll go to the refrigerator, get some organic baby spinach, and you can use lots of different greens. You can get power greens from the store. One of these big containers that lasts me a week is only $5. Not very expensive at all. You can also buy organic carrots that have the green tops, or beets. I love the beet tops. So yeah, I put all that spinach in there. And you can also get kale, lots of different greens you can get. And you want to use as much organic as you can, because the research shows that the actual mineral and nutrient content is a lot better. If you're going to use a boost, put it in the middle of the smoothie. 2 scoops like this, a protein powder. It's a great way to get extra protein into your diet. And then all you want to do is just add in, here's some organic mango. I like to push it down. Add in some pineapple. I would recommend always using pineapple in your smoothies because it's so sweet. It'll really make the flavor good. I like to use strawberries like this, and I always put a little mango because mango just has so many good nutrients that you want in a green smoothie. But you can also, we have in our freezer, we also have these mixed berries there, and another different bag of mixed berries. You can add that in, and it makes it nice. And then all you do is on the NutriBullet cup, there's a max fill line. Depending on the boost and the amount of fruit and smoothie you have in there, I have actually filled this higher than they recommend, but it'll work out. Then just fill this up. I put water maybe a little bit over the max fill line, but not too much over. But that's just because the boost soaks it up a little bit. Just fill that up. And then you just take your NutriBullet blade, put it on here. You have to press it down a little bit. Now when you put it in, you want to make it sure it's real tight or else sometimes the water will leak out. That's probably because I put a little extra water in there. Then you just match up these little tabs here to these little slots there that it fits into. And then just push and twist. And you may have to take it off and shake it up a little bit. And there you have it, a green smoothie ready to go. There are certain lids that the NutriBullet comes with. That makes it a lot easier. But this is one of the best ways to get tons of servings of fruits and vegetables, extra boost in there. It's easy to digest, a great thing for the evening. I like to drink it on my way to work in the morning, and it'll give you energy for a good 4 to 5 hours easy. So there you have it, and I hope you enjoy your next green smoothie.
Okay, everybody, so I really hope you enjoyed that video. And if you did enjoy that video, please comment down below and give us a big thumbs up. And also don't forget to subscribe because that will help us a lot with making all these videos. So hope you can make your green smoothie, and I really hope you enjoyed this video. So bye!